In this video, I will show you how to add a label on Google Maps. So if you want to add a label on Google Maps, then this is what you need to do. First of all, we're going to open our Google Maps application, and then from here, we're going to select the location. So go ahead and select something that you want to label. So let's say we have this location in here, and you can also type it in, by the way, but I'm just going to select this manually. So I'm going to select this in here. And now down below, you see that we have a bar, and we can swipe it a little bit to the left, and there we will already see add label. So we're going to click on add label in here. Now we can just give it a name. So let's go ahead and call this gym. Then we're going to call this gym. And now, as you can see, we have labeled this location. So if you want to start accessing this really easily, you're going to click on search here, and then you will see your labels popping up in here. And if you want to see more of them, you're going to click on more, and there you're going to click on labeled, and here you will find all of your labeled locations. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.